Late one night it occurred to me in the dark hours at the stroke of 3. The insight just flashed in my head, striking me awake and out of bed. You see, in some cancers, a single mutation can start the malignant progression that makes shudder the heart. But in some cancers, mutations in but one single gene provide us with an opening, allowing us to intervene that we might create grim weapons lacking all humor that will seek and destroy those restless tumors. How to design such a weapon I must have been dreaming. When I awoke and set to scheming, I started to make a transgenic fly with the mutated gene turned on only in its eye. The oncogenic gene controlled by an eye-specific promoter. And in the microscope, do I shudder? The fly eye is a grotesque lump. That cancerous gene has had its triumph. The mutant that causes cancer in me or in you has grotesquely set this fly eye askew. The mutant gene has affected the growth of the eye. Grotesque. The effect on the eye of that fly. But using these transgenic flies, I can screen for a drug that counters the effects of the mutated eye gene. In the fly chow, we can place a drug and watch the effect on the eye's heinous lump. Thousands and thousands of drugs did we try, and after some time, under the microscope, I spy an eye that is normal despite the mutation. The drug in the food has caused a restoration. This drug has countered the mutation's effect. I sputtered to my lab, all hands on deck. This particular drug was known to bind a receptor of the very same kind as the protein whose mutated properties cause the thyroid malignancy. The mutated protein is constitutively active, and it turns out that the drug turns off the signal and is thus protective. What a terrible cancer. What a terrible scourge, wrecking the body with tumors and fraying all nerves. Could there not be some type of cure to ease the fever, to soothe the nerves? And who would have thought that the insight could come from a fly with the same terrible mutations carried in its eye? But using human gene mutations in a Drosophila eye model, we have come up with a treatment for a terrible problem.